Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Ryan. If you're passionate about building real world AI projects, you are in the right place. This is the fifth video in the demo series where we build practical AI applications from scratch. So it's been a little over a year since I became that guy at the driving range, the one who records every swing, re-watches it in slow-mo, and still can't figure out why the ball goes right when I'm aiming left. Some call it obsession, I call it research. Introducing my very own golf swing analyzer, built in Python. Powered by AI pose detection, no fancy launch monitors, no $300 an hour coaches. Just your swing video, a notebook, and an unhealthy love for OpenCV. We'll break down your swing frame by frame, compare it to PGA pros, and slap on slow motion, so buckle up and let's dive into the codey side of golf improvement. Before we swing into action, let's tee up a toolbox. We've got MoviePie for video slicing magic, MediaPipe to track your limbs like a motion capture ninja, and TQDM so your noobs don't feel like they're stuck in traffic. Data classes JSON lets our code talk JSON fluently. Backup retries when things go sideways. Supervision puts labels and boxes where your coach usually screams. And yes, we quietly sneak in YTDLP to grab those pro swings off YouTube. Let's install and get the swing party started. Alright, time to bring in the pros. We are using YTDLP to download YouTube shorts like a digital caddy with a Wi-Fi connection. It grabs the best video and audio like it's handpicking clubs for the masters. It merges them into smooth .mp4 files. Ludvig Åberg and Max Homa, two guys who make ball striking look like a cheat code. These clips are our swing yardsticks. Let the comparison begin. Ludwig's swing will be used for the driver comparison, and Max's swing would be used for the iron comparison. Before we can dissect a golf swing like AI Tiger Woods, we need a secret sauce, the imports. We've got GC, time, subprocess, the janitors and timekeepers of the operation. NumPy and Uniform Filter 1D help us smooth out wrist jitters like a Zen master. Matplotlib is here to draw pretty plots, because what's data without drama? Then there's OpenCV and MediaPipe, our swing detectives, frame by frame. And finally, IPython.display lets us show off our handiwork right inside the notebook. No Hollywood editor required. Fun fact, some video players throw a tantrum if your video doesn't come with audio, even if it's just awkward silence. So here, we are politely adding invisible background noise using FFmpeg, like giving your video a fake ID to get into the club. We take our 4 swing clips and sneak in a silent audio track, so they play nice everywhere. No sound, no problem. Just a smooth playback, because even silent swings deserve to be heard, kind of. Next, we make sure all videos are rendered correctly, just how we expect it. Okay, this is where the real detective work begins. We are scanning every frame of your swing video. Using MediaPipe, we track the vertical position of your wrist, because in golf, where your hands go, your swing follows. If the wrist shows up clearly, we log their height. If they ghost us, we politely note it and move on. End result, a frame by frame wrist roller coaster that helps us figure out where your swing really starts cooking. Time to put everyone under the microscope. We are running our wrist tracking X-ray vision on all 4 videos. My iron, my driver, Max's magic, and Åberg's missile. Each frame gets analyzed like it's auditioning for CSI driving range. The result, 4 shiny variables, each backed with wrist Y coordinates and ready for some swing forensics. Alright, now we get fancy. This function watches your wrist like a hawk, smoothing the motion calculating speed, and detecting when you go from chill to full send. It finds your address, stop, impact, the whole symphony of swing based on how that wrist dances vertically. It's like CSI, Golf Edition. But instead of fingerprints, we are profiling your swing based on subtle wrist drama. By the end, we label all 6 classic phases and even color code them like a rainbow of biomechanics. Fancy and functional. Boom. Wrist data in, swing phases out. We just ran a Sherlock Holmes function on all 4 swings, and it's handed as a full time of golf glory, from address to follow through. Each swing is now neatly chopped into labeled chunks. It's like turning raw footage into a golf documentary. And yes, even Max Homa's swings got dissected. Nobody's safe from the algorithm. Alright, it's showdown time. Swing phase by swing phase. This function lines up your golf swing next to the pros, like a side by side dance battle, but with more shoulder tilt. It grabs the middle frame of each swing phase, address, impact, the whole gang. It's visual coaching on steroids, or at least on matplotlib. Trying to put your swing on the big screen next to the pros. We are running a side by side comparison for both iron and driver swings with pose overlays turned on like golf's version of X-ray vision. Think of it as a Tinder for swing phases. Left is me, right is the pro. Now let's see if it's a match or a mulligan. The output you're seeing is highly contingent on the video quality and the camera angle. Currently, we are working only with footage from behind the golf. That means this isn't 100% accurate yet. It's a work in progress. Some clips are already in slow motion, while others are not, which creates inconsistencies in timing analysis. To truly perfect this, we need to normalize everything, convert all videos to the same frame rate, standardize the distance from the camera to the golfer, and ideally capture from multiple angles. Until then, think of this as a prototype, not a verdict. Alright, this is the grand finale, where code meets coaching visuals. We're generating a split screen masterpiece. Your actual swing on the left, a live wrist trajectory chart on the right, and labels. So clear, even your golf coach will say finally. It tracks every frame, highlights the swing phases, and then bam, slows down the juicy part like a dramatic sports replay. Basically, it's a sports center for your wrist. And yes, it's all happening in Python. Action. We are now generating a very old golf swing docu-series, one frame at a time. First up, the iron swing gets the full debug treatment. Side-by-side video, swing phase chart, and slow-mo drama worthy of a Netflix deal. Then, it's time for the drive. Same treatment, just with more violence. Coming soon. Swing coach voiceovers, lefty sport, automatic ball racing, AI-powered swing grading, and maybe even a mobile app so your swing critique can follow you to the 19th hole. If this helped, made you laugh, or made you question your backswing, give it a clap, share it with your favorite golf buddy, and drop your own swing in the comments. Bugs, feedback, and wild slice videos, send them all. Because together, we are bringing AI to the driving range, one awkward wrist flick at a time. Find the necessary articles, the full Colab notebook, and a detailed write-up of the project below. Check it out, follow along, drop a comment, and share your thoughts. Thank you.